Welcome to Day 57 of the 60-Day AMA program. Here are the highlights from the session. Tonight, Nick discusses what it really means to have EIP 4337, Mercury lending and borrowing, Uniswap and DIA, Oracle, fully redeployed on Mainnet. Plus, what's next? Redeployment to Mainnet signifies that blockchain components have transitioned from testing to live status, ready for real transactions and economic activity. This stage allows users to earn actual rewards. The Mainnet's execution layer supports EVM compatibility and smart contracts, enabling protocols built with Ethereum tools to operate similarly to Ethereum, yet with improved transaction speeds and lower fees. We just finished deploying EIP 4337 support. What does that actually do for end users? EIP 4337 represents a significant advancement in account abstraction for Ethereum-style blockchains, allowing the use of smart contract wallets instead of strictly externally owned accounts. Key features include programmable wallets, gas abstraction enabling payment in tokens other than the native currency, the introduction of bundlers and entry point contracts for efficient gas management, and paymasters that can sponsor gas for users. This innovation effectively reduces entry barriers, enhancing user experience by allowing users to interact with dApps without needing the native token up front. Now let's talk about Mercury lending and borrowing, another big piece that just went live. Mercury functions as a money market layer that allows users to supply assets for interest earnings and borrow against collateral without centralized credit checks. Influenced by contemporary DeFi money market frameworks, it comprises a base borrowing asset, various collateral types, and variable interest rates based on utilization. This design ensures liquidity, flexibility, and capital productivity, all managed through smart contracts, and it is currently operational and generating yields. Established designs like Compound 3 demonstrate the efficiency and security of this architecture. Next up, everyone's favorite on-chain DEX, Uniswap, now live on Mainnet. Uniswap 5.3 operates as a liquidity network rather than merely a swap button. It introduces concentrated liquidity, allowing liquidity providers, LPs, to allocate capital within specific price ranges, thereby maximizing fee earnings where actual trading occurs. With multiple fee tiers, it accommodates both low and high volatility markets. Now on the Mainnet, Uniswap facilitates real trading volume, fee collection, and liquidity depth building in real time. Now let's talk about something really critical, data and DIA oracles being live. Reliable price data is essential for lending, borrowing, and trading. Oracles like DIA address this need by providing verified off-chain price feeds for smart contracts. DIA is a decentralized oracle network supporting 50-plus chains, offering customizable and verifiable data, including tools for push oracles, RWA feeds, randomness, and proof of reserve data, which are vital for DeFi. This ensures that lending markets and DEX pricing are based on transparent crowdsourced oracle data rather than speculation. What's next? Imminent deployments. 1. Layer 0, cross-chain messaging. Layer 0 is a protocol designed for secure and efficient cross-chain communication, allowing contracts on different blockchains to interact seamlessly without relying on a central hub. It facilitates the movement of assets, execution of actions, and triggering of events across chains, thereby enabling omni-chain liquidity, shared order books, and cross-chain governance, thus fostering a versatile environment for composable, decentralized finance. 2. Real-world assets, RWA, tokenizing the physical world. Support for permission token standards, like ERC 3643 is being introduced, integrating compliance and identity layers into asset tokens. This allows traditional assets, such as bonds, real estate, and stocks, to exist on-chain with transfer permissions and legal safeguards, providing institutions the security and compliance needed for their transition to Web3. Consequently, this development is set to enable trillions in capital to flow into decentralized finance and other sectors. 3. Intense protocol, standardizing cross-chain actions. The intent standard, similar to ERC 7683, enables a universal format for cross-chain intent data, facilitating understanding of user actions across various blockchains. It serves as a common language for cross-chain swaps and lending flows, enhancing interoperability among builders and tools with reduced friction. 4. Vaults like Morpho, passive yield, simplified. Vaults represent an advancement in DeFi yield strategies, enabling users to make a single deposit while a strategy autonomously manages assets across lending markets to generate automatic yields through risk-managed allocations. Morpho vaults facilitate tailored risk profiles, minimizing the continuous management required from users, making them ideal for long-term yield seekers. Here's what we're walking away with tonight. The biggest DeFi building blocks, live on Mainnet. A fully composable ecosystem, ready for cross-chain money movement. Real-world assets and yield strategies, coming next. And remember, every one of these pieces isn't just tech on a page. It's economic opportunity, liquidity, yield, composability, and real innovation happening today. And that wraps up day 57.